Gordon Earl Moore was born January 3, 1929, in San Francisco, California. He was an American engineer and co-founder with Robert Noyce of Intel Corporation. Moore studied chemistry at the University of California, Berkeley, and in 1954 he received a PhD in chemistry and physics from the California Institute of Technology. The beginning of Moore's success came with the interest of transistors. The definition of transistor is a semiconductor device with three connections capable of amplification in addition to rectification. In 1965, Moore was asked to predict the developments over the next decade in reviewing past increases in the number of transistors per silicon chip. Moore's law, by definition, is the number of transistors per silicon chip doubles each year.
1965, and I wanted to predict that this was going to be the way to make electronics inexpensively, which was not generally acknowledged at that time. So I took this doubling every year and extrapolated it 10 years, from 1965 to 1975, from 60 components to 60,000 components on a chip. A pretty wild extrapolation. And it turned out to be ridiculously accurate.